So what you're going to see is we are going to study about the inverse matrix. Okay. So what do you call this one is inverse matrix. Inverse matrix. So in Basam we call it as matrix song. So how you represent the inverse matrix? So some alphabet at the top of the alphabet, I put the -1 la. They don't say -1. What do you say? Inverse la song. Matrix song, right? Okay. It's a symbol. Okay, this is a symbolically you have to represent like this. Okay. So if there is a matrix given for you, A is a matrix. Okay. How you represent the matrix? By the square bracket, right? Okay, the square bracket given that one is the representation of the matrix. So now I'm going to 4, 3, what other elements I give you is 1, 8. Okay, page number 42. So you can see in your activity book, the formula is given. What is the, I have to find out the matrix song. Chari matrix song. Okay, you have to find out the inverse matrix. So formula எழுதிக்கலாம். So what is the formula here? Repeat formula சொல்லுங்க. A inverse equals formula என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? 1 over
equals 1 over
yeah, AD minus BC then okay, bracket. I mean it's a matrix sum. Okay, square bracket not a matrix sum. You know the okay. This one see let's say the matrix I want to write down. Before going to this formula, I just want to write down the matrix. Let's say that the matrix A, this one is A, and this one is B, and this element is C, and this element is D. Okay, for example, okay. So A, B, C, D. Okay, so that means okay. Let me write down separately. Matrix A, I represent by these elements A, B, C, D. Okay, from this we are going to derive the inverse matrix song. So what you are going to do is I teach you very simply how to remember this formula. First, you know how you put a darab. Darab how you put like this. Okay, first follow me. Darab எப்படி போடுவீங்க? First the line போடுவீங்க, then the next cross, right? Okay, இப்போ யார் connect ஆறாங்க? A and D, correct? 1 over AD, then you put minus. Very important is minus. Then the next என்ன போடுவீங்க? First you put like this, then you put this cross, right? So who are connected now? BC, right? BC, right or not? So just to remember easily, okay? Okay, then okay, from this one coming to the one inside the bracket, right? I mean inside the matrix, what you have to write? I teach you easily. Once again, the first cross like this, right? Just interchange these two guys. A and D just interchange. Interchange panna enna varum? D should be here and here A. Okay, the next cross. Okay, B and C just enna panna interchange panna kudadu. Just change the sign. Just change the sign sajjar. Okay, here what is the member here? D. I'm not interchanging. I just copy down as it is, but in front of the D, I have to put a minus here. So here, who is here in this case? C. But in the front, you have to put a minus. Are you getting the formula? Can you check the formula again? A inverse equals 1 by AD minus BC. Inside the bracket, we have D minus B, negative C, and A. Do you get it? Okay. So don't memorize. Okay. Understand easily. Okay. Like that. This is how you have to memorize. Of course, you have to memorize, but you do it systematically, right? Make it as a fun. Okay. The formula is தெரியலனா நீங்க வந்து problem solve பண்ண முடியாது. சரி, எப்படி solve பண்ணலாம்? Just applying the formula. I have to find out Chari matrix function. So A is given, and you have to find out A inverse. Okay, let's continue. A inverse 1 over A. What is A value? 4. Okay, times D value upon 8. Put inside the bracket. Okay. Minus B value upon 2. B upon 3. B is 3. Okay. Then C value upon 1. In the place of C, we have 1, right? Okay. Then we go into the matrix lah. Okay, what is the b value? 8. And negative, what is the b value? 3. And negative c value is 1 and a value is 4. Correct? Huh? Okay, let's simplify this further. Okay, 1 over 8 times 4 berapa? 32, right? 32, huh? 32 minus 3 times 1 is 3, huh? So 32 minus 3, and just copy down this matrix as it is 8, -3, and -1 and 4, huh? Okay. என்ன further simplify பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும்? 32 minus 3 என்ன வரும்? Calculator enter பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும்? இது calculator தேவையில்லை, மேனுவலா சொல்லணும். 32 minus 3 என்ன வரும்? Over 29 la. 32 minus 3 is 29. What you will be getting? 29, right? Okay. 1 over 29. Correct. Yeah. A inverse equals. A inverse equal 1 over 29. Then you put inside the bracket is 8, -3, -1, and 4. Okay, now it's very simple. You are the second step. So who is the visitor now? 1 over 29 is a visitor. This is your house. I told you, right? Okay, easily understand. Huh? So now what do you want to do now? You want to bring the visitor inside the house. Correct or not? So visitor வீட்டுக்குள்ள கொண்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா, யார் visitor? 1 by 29 is a visitor. What do you have to do? Times. Very good. Times funding. Times பண்ணும். You have to make sure you times the visitor with every number inside the matrix.
29
cannot double it. This one is 1 over 29 times 8. Understand or not? It's not 29. So 1 over 29. They have to enter the whole value as it is. Okay, calculate enter பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க எனக்கு. First value மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க.
8 over 29.
சார் ஆன்லைன்ல இருக்கறா?
சரி.
மெசேஜ் பண்ணீங்களா?
So the ரெண்டு times பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? 8 over 29. Okay, if you times these two, what you will be getting?
-3 over 29.
-3 over 29. And if you times these two, what will be getting? -1 over 29. Okay, if you times these two guys, what will be getting? 4 over 29. Correct. So that's how you have to do. Okay. So finally we get the answer A inverse matrix on sum. Correct. So இப்போ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்ணலாமா? அடுத்தது வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் செக்ஷன் A ல பாருங்க.
Same.
ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க.